know what it is. The question of the day. All right. Now this is kind of a serious topic. You might want to watch what you say. That's all I'm saying. Now, what would make you kill somebody? You know, I mean murder, actual murder. Just tear that motherfucker head off, murder, shoot him in the heart, stab him in the chest, something crazy. I'm saying I ain't never did the shit, but I'm saying what would make you murder somebody? What's up? What? You see that happened? That. Oh, okay. Once again, let's make it happen.